Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that can truly change your trajectory. Powerful investments you can make in your 20s. But guess what? This advice is pure gold for anyone, regardless of age. We all dream big, maybe even envisioning ourselves as millionaires by a certain age. But James Clear, in his brilliant book Atomic Habits, reminds us, it's not about the goal, it's about who you become in pursuit of it. The secret lies in building systems that propel you forward, not just setting lofty ambitions. So, where are you pouring your energy right now? Are you strategically investing in your future abundance? Let's unpack 15 strategic investments that will empower you to create a life you love. Number 1, invest in a skill that pays. Master a sellable skill, something people value, enough to compensate you for. It can be a technical expertise like coding or data analysis, or a creative one like graphic design or copywriting. Don't confuse passion with practicality. If there's no market for your skill set, it might be a cherished hobby, but not a financial powerhouse. For example, imagine you love pottery. While it can be incredibly therapeutic if you aim to be a millionaire, becoming a certified blockchain developer might be a more strategic move. You can always nurture your pottery passion on the side. Number 2, become a financial literacy boss. Making money is fantastic, but without financial know-how, it can easily slip through your fingers. In your 20s, prioritize learning how to budget, save, and invest. Explore resources like online courses, workshops, or books by financial gurus. Remember, knowledge is power, and financial literacy is your shield against bad decisions. For instance, did you know that even small amounts invested consistently over time can snowball into a significant sum thanks to compound interest? Understanding this principle can revolutionize your approach to saving. Number 3, unleash your inner innovator. Your 20s are a prime time to capitalize on your ideas. Don't be afraid to experiment, take calculated risks, and even fail. Remember, failure is often a stepping stone to success. Think about it. If you launch a business at 22 and it doesn't work, out by 25 you've still got plenty of runway to launch a new venture with valuable lessons learned. For example, look at companies like Airbnb or Dropbox. These billion-dollar giants started as ideas in young people's minds. Don't underestimate your own potential. Number 4, build your power network. It's not just what you know, it's who you know. Your network is a web of valuable connections. These can be mentors, potential investors, future collaborators, or even just like-minded individuals who can support you on your journey. So, attend industry events, connect on LinkedIn, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. For instance, imagine a graphic designer who builds relationships with marketing agencies. When those agencies need design talent, guess who they might think of first? Building a strong network opens doors you never knew existed. Number 5, prioritize your mental well-being. You can't pour from an empty cup. Invest in your mental health. Get enough sleep, eat nourishing foods, and establish healthy boundaries. Practices like meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature can work wonders for reducing stress and boosting focus. For example, you might be a total hustler, but if you're constantly burnt out, your productivity and decision-making will suffer. Prioritizing mental health isn't a luxury. It's a necessity for long-term success. Number 6, upskill and stay ahead. The world is constantly evolving, so should your skill set. Commit to lifelong learning. Take online courses, attend industry workshops, or pursue relevant certifications. Staying at the forefront of your field makes you a valuable asset both to yourself and potential employers. For instance, the marketing landscape is constantly changing. A marketing professional who invests in learning about the latest social media trends and SEO strategies will be much more attractive to potential employers than someone who relies on outdated knowledge. Number 7, cultivate a millionaire mindset. Your belief system has a powerful impact on your reality. If you constantly tell yourself that making a lot of money is impossible, guess what? It probably will be. Surround yourself with positive influences. Listen to empowering podcasts and read books by successful entrepreneurs. For example, start replacing limiting beliefs like "I can't afford that" with empowering affirmations like "I am worthy of abundance." Shift your mindset and you'll shift your trajectory. Number 8, invest in qualified mentorship. There's a reason why successful athletes have coaches. A qualified coach can be your secret weapon. They can provide guidance, hold you accountable, and help you navigate challenges. But remember, not all coaches are created equal. Do your research and find someone with a proven track record and a coaching style that resonates with you. For instance, Imagine a budding entrepreneur struggling to get their business idea off the ground. A qualified business coach can help them refine their strategy, connect them with valuable resources, and provide the support they need to overcome obstacles. Number 9. Invest in your physical health. Your body is your temple. Taking care of it through regular exercise, healthy eating habits, and preventative health care will give you the energy and resilience you need to chase your goals. Think of it as an investment in your most valuable asset. For example, imagine you're a freelance writer. If you constantly struggle with fatigue and headaches due to a poor diet and lack of exercise, it will be difficult to focus and meet deadlines. Prioritizing physical health fuels your mental clarity and overall well-being. Number 10. Invest in building resilience. Life throws the curveballs. Develop your resilience by learning from setbacks, embracing challenges, and maintaining a positive attitude. Remember, successful people aren't those who never fail, but those who get back up after they do. For instance, an aspiring filmmaker might face countless rejections before their big break. Building resilience allows them to learn from each no, stay motivated, and keep pushing towards their dreams. Number 11. Invest in time management skills. Time is your most precious resource. Master time management by setting clear goals, prioritizing tasks, and creating routines that optimize your productivity. There are countless apps, courses, and books available to help you conquer your day. For example, a marketing professional who juggles multiple projects can benefit immensely from time management skills. Learning to prioritize tasks and delegate effectively can free up valuable time and reduce stress. Number 12. Invest in building strong communication skills. The ability to communicate effectively is crucial for success in any field. Work on honing your communication skills, both written and verbal. Learn to articulate your ideas clearly, listen actively, and engage in persuasive communication. For instance, imagine a salesperson who struggles to connect with potential clients. By refining their communication skills, they can build rapport, present their product or service effectively, and close more deals. Number 13. Invest in building your personal brand. In today's digital world, your personal brand is your online reputation. Craft a brand that reflects your values, expertise, and professionalism. This could involve creating a strong LinkedIn profile, contributing valuable content online, or even starting a blog in your area of interest. For example, a web developer can leverage their personal brand to showcase their skills and attract potential clients. They can share coding tutorials on YouTube, participate in online forums, or even speak at industry events. Number 14. Invest in learning a second language. The world is becoming increasingly global. Being multilingual opens doors to new opportunities, both personally and professionally. Imagine being able to network with international clients or travel the world with greater ease. For example, a marketing professional who learns Spanish opens themselves up to a whole new market of potential clients in Spanish-speaking countries. Number 15. Invest in giving back. Success isn't just about financial gain. Make a conscious effort to give back to your community through volunteering, donating to causes you care about, or simply mentoring others. Helping others is not only rewarding, but it can also connect you with like-minded individuals and foster a sense of purpose. For example, a young entrepreneur who volunteers their time at a local business incubator can not only give back to the community, but also learn valuable lessons and network with other aspiring business owners. Remember, these investments are not one-time purchases. They're ongoing commitments that will compound over time, shaping you into the wealthy, successful individual you were always meant to be. Keep in mind, this is just the beginning of your journey. I'm here to support you every step of the way. So, like this video, hit that notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe for more content to help you level up your life. And until next time, take care.